Andrew Wiles. The British mathematician Andrew Wiles was born on the 11th of April 1953. He is the son of Maurice Frank Wiles and Patricia Wiles. Since he was a young child, Andrew was always interested in mathematics. He rented out books from the library near him, which he used to find new math problems that would challenge and teach him. One of the books that Wiles rented from the library was on the subject of Fermat's last theorem. This was actually an unsolved math problem that had not been figured out for over 300 years. Andrew took this problem as his own and set his sights toward solving it, even though he was only 10 years old at the time. Although he thought this problem would be easy to solve, it proved otherwise. This led him to giving up on finding the proof so that he could focus on learning more to help him solve it later. In 1981, Andrew was offered a professor position at Princeton University. In 1998, he was employed by Oxford University as a Royal Society research professor, which he stayed at until 1990. After this, he went back to Princeton to teach, only to go back to Oxford in 2011. At the age of 33, Wiles felt he had the education necessary to start working on Fermat's last theorem once again. In number theory, Fermat's last theorem, sometimes called Fermat's conjecture, states that no three positive integers x, y, and z can satisfy the equation x to the n plus y to the n equals z to the n for any integer value of n greater than 2. From 1986 to 1993, he spent all of his time and energy doing research to find the proof for this theorem. His proof was presented to the public in early 1993, but a few months later there was an error found in it. Wiles worked hard to figure out how to fix his proof and found it a year later in September of 1994. This proof was then complete and published in the Annals of Mathematics. Even the most famous mathematicians in the world could not find a problem with his proof, making it extremely famous and important to math today. Professor Langlands and Wiles share the Wolf Prize for their groundbreaking research in modern number theory, which has led to the solution of long-standing problems as well as defining important new directions. Andrew Wiles has made spectacular contributions toward the solution of long-standing fundamental problems in number theory by introducing profound and novel methods. The problems that he has addressed on his own and jointly with others include the Birch and Swinnerton-Dyer conjectures, the main conjecture of Iwasawa theory, and the Shimuraya-Taniyama wheel conjecture. His work to date culminated in the proof of the celebrated Fermat's last theorem. This problem is responsible for shaping much of number theory in the last 2 centuries. From 1995, Wiles began to receive many honors for his outstanding piece of work. He was awarded the Schock Prize in Mathematics from the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences and the Prix Fermat from the University of Po. In 1996, he received further awards, including the Wolf Prize, and was selected as a foreign member to the National Academy of Sciences of the United States, receiving its Mathematics Prize. In 1998, the International Mathematical Union presented him with a silver plate at the International Congress of Mathematics held that year in Berlin. In the same year of 1998, he was awarded the King Faisal Prize, and in the following year, he received the Clay Research Award. He received this award from the Clay Mathematics Institute on May 10, 1999 in Cambridge, Massachusetts, for his role in the development of number theory. Furthermore, he received the Pythagoras Award in Crotone, Italy in 2004, and in the following year, Wiles received the Schock Prize, which is awarded to individuals regardless of race, nationality, and religious belief who have achieved significant breakthrough in academic and scientific research or application, and whose work has resulted in a positive and profound impact on mankind. Today, Andrew Wiles is 62 years old and is living in the United Kingdom. He is a member of the U.S. National Academy of Sciences and he spends a lot of time traveling. Andrew married Nada Canaan Wiles, who earned her PhD from Princeton University in New Jersey. They have three daughters named Claire, Kate, and Olivia. Because of his many contributions to the field of mathematics, which led to the solution of long-standing problems as well as defining important new directions in number theory, Andrew Wiles can be considered as one of the greatest mathematical minds of the 20th century. Thank you.